are the chisel, you the sculptor, and you the stone. Life is what you make it. Just as our body needs hygienic, wholesome, and nutritious food to keep it healthy and fit, so do our mind and soul. Inspirational reading, viewing, and listening stimulates, motivates, and rejuvenates us to achieve greater heights and grants us the vision and fortitude to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Inspirations Unlimited is a unique and innovative mobile app and website featuring a classic collection of inspirational and motivational ebooks, photo quotes, and audio visuals to cheer and nourish your mind and spirit and empower your life beyond your wildest imaginations. The launch of Inspirations Unlimited commemorates the 102nd birth anniversary of Sri Mangalbhai P. Patel, who lived like a true karma yogi of Bhagavad Gita until his last breath at the age of 96. After 33 years of an illustrious career in the income tax department, he played a grand second innings of 38 years of active and healthy retired life, meaningfully engaged in profession and service to society.
To pay our respects, tributes, and salutes to a grand old man who has been young in spirit forever. No wonder it has been rightly said that it is magnificent to grow old if one keeps young.
An ardent lover of promoting excellence through value-oriented education, he set up Sri M.P. Patel Foundation in 1984, and for 3 decades, from 1984 to 2014, he passionately championed the cause of publication of books aimed at inspiring all-round development of the human mind, body, and spirit. Be it the magic of prose or the charm of poetry, once they enchant your spirit, it is an experience of supreme joy and heavenly bliss. Presented in this app and website are inspirational and motivational ebooks published by Inspirations Unlimited and Sri M.P. Patel Foundation. The scenic beauty of nature is both exquisite and infinite. No wonder It has stimulated the talent and creativity of so many poets, artists, and photographers. It also motivated Mukesh Patel, an eminent international text expert and a globetrotter, to capture this beauty through his roving lens eye, inspiring him to present some of his fascinating photographs with his choicest inspirational quotes. The photo quotes presented in this app and website are not only a delightful viewing, but are sure to stimulate your minds and rejuvenate your spirits too. They have been classified and arranged under 6 energetic themes: attitude, goals, happiness, motivation, success, wisdom. Selected presentations from talks of the acclaimed and eloquent motivational speaker Mukesh Patel have also been featured in the audio visuals of this app.
The dreams must be shaped into goals. And therefore, somebody has very beautifully said, only as high as you reach can you grow. Only as high as you reach can you grow. Only as far as you seek can you go. Only as deep as you look can you see. Only as much as you dream can you be.
With the support and patronage of Shri M.P. Patel Foundation to Inspirations Unlimited, all these ebooks, photo quotes, and audio visuals are offered free of cost, and you can easily download them for your own viewing or share them on any social media with just a click of the button. We salute this sterling doyen with a befitting tribute of 102 not out, conveying to the noble soul that his life and work and values and vision shall eternally continue to inspire and motivate us all as Inspirations Unlimited forever.
We conclude this presentation quoting these immortal lines of one of Dadaji's favorite English poets, H.W. Longfellow. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time.